flying around in the morning. Let's see, it's just after 8 o'clock, so people are getting going. Last few kids getting into high school, and shift change. Maybe not shift change at the hospital, but there's the buckle over here. Beautiful morning to fly. It is a little bit, there's a little turbulence, I would say, at between 50 feet and 350 feet. And then above that, 400, 500, it's really smooth. What a blast. Flying over some freshly planted corn. This little feller's probably 4 inches high. What a blast.